I was like, no, I came in hella late. That's the thing. Like my trade, literally where it went up and like rejected from, like I had the area marked up from the day before, and we never reached it. So I was like, damn. And then it's crazy though, because I've back tested so many times when I've done that. Like it's always came back to that area and rejected. So
Yeah, because you were.
I guess I'm gonna have to,
Was the news good? The news was good, right?
yeah,
I
ended
mean,
up
you were
being
right.
good.
You were good about being good and then going the opposite way. Shit, that should be. That's why I don't care about if it's good or bad at this point. I just go with what I see, cause like, bro, you never gonna know. It could be good news and go down. It's like, all right, does that
Oh
even make
yeah,
sense?
I mean, I definitely did my DD. I went in the charts and everything to make sure everything was right.
Yeah, but we about to see. Let me get these chart. Let me start marking it up. I'm just gonna simply, you mean, previous day's high, previous day's low, pull a fib from it, look for an ideal retracement. It's a Thursday, so I think we will probably keep pushing to get a reversal, in my opinion, to keep going lower. I think that's gonna be best bet.
I'm thinking this should push up.
That's what I'm saying. Get a nice little push up and then get a nice little reversal. Maybe if there, I don't know if there's news today. Maybe going around news potentially because we already ran Asian session high, Asian session low is still intact along with the previous day's low, and we're already bearish as is. So I'm gonna pull a fib from here. Yeah, we got still a little bit of a ways, and that lines up with 800 also. I haven't traded in so long, but this is just literally it's like plug and play at this point. You ever like not trading? Like I wonder if I know what I'm doing. You go back and it's like,
Yeah,
never mind. This is ain't shit change,
that's how I'll be feeling after the weekends. Like just 2 days of not trading. I'm like, do I still know what I'm
bro. I
doing?
didn't trade all weekend plus until today, so it's been like 6 days, 6 7 days damn near.
Hmm.
But it's just all the same shit. Look for the same things, same levels, same prices, same highs and lows. It's all the same, bro. Let me just mark up 700 since we are rejecting that. But I don't think it's going to be a long term reaction. I like that we already rejected the 38.20% because, in my opinion, usually when we reject this is not a long term move, and then it'll
Yeah.
usually keep pushing. Like this is like a
Oh,
continuation. If it's a continue, if like whenever I notice with the 38.20%, it's gonna be like a fast move. Like it's not gonna do this. It would have just went straight down because it's just trending. That's the only time it really like has those small pullbacks. But when it's like this, and these the lows down here, they don't look valid. I mean, they were made at 2. It could end up being the low of the day, but I don't think that's really likely. I don't know about
yeah.
that. Let me
It
check
came
higher
up to
time
the
frame.
38.2, came back down and closed twice below it. So
Oh, what is this? I need to go to higher time frame.
here the sales already running. Get clear of
Oh
this
yeah, we're
short.
bearish as hell. Jesus, I haven't. This is. Oh yeah, let me just get rid of all these. Uh, so it's like a doji right now, but if we're just going off of like yesterday, we already almost filled in this imbalance up here, and if we look even higher, that imbalance is right 760, so close to that 800 level. So we could possibly keep filling that in to potentially keep going lower. I think that's likely, in my opinion. And if we simply, I'll just use this higher time frame from this high to here, it lines up with the 38.20% on this low fib. So I think that 750 to 800 area is going to be ideal, like within this little range.
Yeah.
Because if you look over here too, this is the last two up candles before this major drop. So within this range, there's probably going to be a lot of orders. You got the 800 level, but it's going to come into just time also. I'm about to see if there's any news. Uh, news. Where you at? Bro, I'd be fried sometimes. I'd be like dyslexic while typing. Like I'll write the whole word backwards. I'm like, yo, how I even do that?
I be seeing you on Instagram putting air or you be putting Airbnb. Oh, like Airbnb. I know what you mean though.
Shit, same shit, bro. I be
I
moving
figure that
too
shit either
fast.
like autocorrect or
One
whatever.
of them, bro. Either me being dumb or the phone, cause my phone be wilding sometimes. Cause it like don't
Yeah,
like my
use that
slang.
cipher text.
Oh, I can't. So you got the Android. You're used to it. I'm not used to it with the
You
iPhone.
can do it on iPhone though too.
Yeah, I could, but bro, I'm worse off probably doing that. I'm so used to regular typing now.
Yeah, that's how I be texting and driving because I already know how to like type, so it's like I don't have to look at
Oh
the
yeah,
phone to
it's good
swipe
now
the
for
text.
you. But we had good news today. So if this all keeps going, we got news at 9:45, and at 1, Powell speaks later. Oh, that bitch, that motherfucker.
Mm.
He better go home.
Well, since he is speaking, that adds different perspective.
That's later on in the day too. We gonna see. I'm not gonna stay in the office too long. I'll probably give it to like 10:30,
Yeah.
10:45. If I don't have a movement by then, I don't think we're gonna get anything. At least within my time frame. Because I think going into the open, we'll have like we have to keep pushing to from there potentially keep going lower. Like that's my ideal situation for today. But we gonna see. We gonna see.
Yeah, so that's looking at the fibs on the 4 hour.
Mhm.
That 79 lines up with like a 4 hour order block.
Oh, like right up
So
here,
does what was that, the 70%?
right here. Yeah, right. And it has that
Yeah,
little
we could
gap.
get a run of the highs.
Has that gap in there too. It's a nice little area, just like that. This big range where all the consolidation. It's just a matter of it's gonna be timing, in my opinion. We'll just have to wait for that specific time to hit. And then if we're in that area at a certain time, the probability skyrocket. But we gonna see. Right now it's just a waiting game. We still got 10 minutes to the open. Who's that just connected, Jenner? But now we gonna see what's up. Oh, we got a few people in here. This one got the camera. Copy that. Copy that. But now
Oh
what's
shoot,
what's
I
going on,
just seen
boy?
all these people.
Yeah, I was like, damn. I was like, I seen participants. I see no cameras. Usually they got cameras on. That's why. It's cool. Ain't nothing happening right now. Time is just we're just watching time go by. We could potentially get a run for these London lows earlier. To maybe have a push. That could be a potential another little setup if that were to play out. But I'm more on the sell side right now. We gonna see.
Μίλησα.
What's going on,
Δεν
bro?
μου είπε κάτι άλλο, μίλησα. Δεν ξέρω αν ήρθε.
Shit, I thought she was talking to me. I was like, shit.
What's up, Ingham's?
Πάτρα θα το κάνουν.
Where you from, my guy? I'm from Philadelphia, but I just moved to Tampa about 2 months ago now. So I'm a Florida boy now. Florida boy. Oh, there's Jenner.
Skitty Pips.
What's up, bro?
Yo,
What's up, bro?
what's up?
Italy.
You already know.
Big Skittle. But yeah, we gonna see right
That
now.
shit was from years ago. I gotta change that.
You said what?
I said that shit is from years ago. I gotta change that.
Skiddly Pips.
Skittles.
Yeah.
Oh,
Skiddly
Skiddly.
Pips. You know what I'm saying?
Everyone asking where I
That's
got my lights
crazy.
from.
I've been saying I need to open up this LLC. I've been having this shit since like I don't know. Since I started my entrepreneur. I guess this has always been my end, like on business side. No job, no problems.
Nah, facts.
Official license. Wait till I get back to Costa Rica.
When you going? You're.
What'd you
Yep.
say?
I said, where you going? When you going?
Tomorrow I'm gonna be in Costa Rica.
Damn,
till
tomorrow.
the 30th.
Damn, 30th. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
30.
good vibes. Good vibes. 7 days, valid. That's what I need. I need a nice little trip.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting it's my birthday today.
We could
Today's your
always do a
birthday?
trip.
Damn, bro. Happy birthday. How you forget?
Nigga,
I'm
today's your
officially 20.
birthday?
I'm officially 27 now.
Damn.
Hey, he officially
3
almost
more
done.
years. 3 more years.
I'm 30,
Damn,
30.
Andre, I see the camera. The shit
Look, it's
focused
gonna
as
be
fuck.
y'all real soon. Trust me.
Oh yeah, you gonna be my old head.
Damn,
I'm like, yo, bro.
27.
I'm like, yo, unc.
Yeah.
Bro,
What
you're
up,
out of
boy?
pocket.
I'm like, yo, Monk.
Bro, Kel, don't take that.
They gonna be like, how old is he? I'm like, yeah, a couple years older than me.
They gonna be like, yeah, that's my uncle.
I'm like, yeah, he 50.
Shit.
Them, I can
I'm
see
a
it.
young. I'm gonna be a young nigga. I'm gonna be looking young.
I'm like, yeah, he got that melanin, so he not gonna age.
I know I'm Filipino and black, so nigga gonna be young forever.
Oh, nah, you
Asian.
good, We might. I'm low key looking at. You already got that retracement there, man.
That's what I was saying. That's already happened. I think if we go and run that low right there that you got marked off, that's when we're gonna flip bearish.
Yeah, we'll see. If it just keeps running low, then I'm just gonna call it a day at that point. If it once it breaks the previous day's low,
I
if we
was
don't have
about to
like a
say.
false break.
I think that setup you sent to the chat is really the only viable setup right now. I don't see it
That's
breaking
if it's
out.
coming back to give us another re-entry for a long, but I'm not. I'm not long on the day. Retail is almost
Yeah.
60 long, 58%. So people are exiting buys. They're probably gonna push it back out, push it back up.
I got my bed coming today. Oh yeah,
Dad, the fuck you sleep on last night?
the floor. So I have an air mattress,
Oh, alright.
but I got my actual bed and mattress coming. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Tempur-Pedic.
Mm-hmm. Good old bed. Now all I need is like my podcast setup, and I'm good.
Bro, my bed's so comfy. Anytime I go on vacation, I be missing my bed.
See, that's probably how I'm gonna start to feel.
I don't even have a fucking bed. I sleep on an air mattress.
Hey, I feel you, bro. That's how
I
I'm
had to
feeling right
stop
now.
the air mattresses. Them bitches be
It's
getting
bad for your
them
back,
big
bro.
ass
I need
bumps
good
and
sleep.
shit.
Like what way I'm looking at it, people be like, "Oh, you got a good bed, you gonna sleep more." Nah, the better the bed, I'm gonna sleep less. I'm gonna take
Get
power
better
naps.
quality.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take 2 hour power naps.
It's all about the quality.
I'm gonna fall asleep in like 3 minutes,
You
bro.
said what happened when you were sleeping on the air mattress?
Yeah, I was saying like whenever I used to have an air mattress, like I would always have to get a new one because like sometimes you can like kind of push them too hard and then they'll make like a giant like bump in the bed,
Yeah, that's like
Yeah.
I have to lay in the middle or like caves in.
and then my shit start flopping over. And I'm like, yep, time to get a new bed.
Yeah, bro. I was just like, listen, if I'm rather invest in a good bed now because I'll keep it for a while. That's how I'm looking at it and shit. I'll be able to take it when I leave.
Ain't that Cali King though?
But now, how y'all trading been going? How y'all boys?
Straight. Last
Yeah,
week was
same
straight.
old, same old. I caught that
This
shit
week isn't.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Same old, same old.
Andre, did you hop on that yesterday? That news?
Oh, when's Call of Duty beta come out?
Friday?
My fault, I
Wait,
A lot
cut
of
you off.
people ain't. A
That's
lot of people
No,
are
is it
waiting to
though?
get it.
bro. I'm still waiting, bro.
So Andre,
I don't know.
I
Some
low-key
people ain't
lied to
getting
you last week.
What?
I think it might have still just been for PlayStation niggas
Oh,
though,
you're a
because
menace. It's too late now.
this
it. Yeah.
week is gonna be for everybody.
Usually it's for us.
Man, I was
All
about
right,
to buy
so
a whole
because
PlayStation. He was like, "Nah, it's just for the weekend."
Hmm.
Finesse man.
Yo, bro,
because
y'all bearish or bullish open?
Bullish
so
on the
Andre,
open,
for
probably.
you, the beta starts on Saturday, bro.
Saturday, bro. I'm not even gonna play,
Yeah,
bro.
it starts on the 22nd, and you get to play till the 26th.
Yep. I won't be able to play at all.
That's your trash. You might as well ship me your PlayStation, Kev. I said, Kev,
Hmm.
Kev.
Now the 24th is on all platforms.
My shit is on its last whims.
Shit, I'll take it, bro.
Sound like a PJ.
Right now, looking at this daily, I don't like this candle. It's just a doji.
I
Where
think
were
if
we
the S
open?
and P break 3760, we go below 3600. If we hold it, we go back bullish. That's how I've been playing my trades all week off SPX.
Tonight. Only thing I'm excited for now, I just got to get the whole set now, studio set. That's what I need. Get this podcast going. I got all the equipment. I just need a studio.
First imbalance.
Where?
It's crazy how SPX US 30 and Nas all be looking the exact same.
There's an imbalance right below this low though that I'm kind of looking at. Do kind of like it going into the open. If we could run this low, tap into the gap at 9:30, have a potential short-term London continuation to the top side. That's what I'm seeing at the open. Because right now I can't justify selling. If it sells, it sells. But I could try to justify getting into a buy up to 800 after we
I
clear
would
this
like
low.
to see it make a push higher, and then sell off.
That's like a 45 point stop.
Good as crazy.
Cause I'm trying to see.
Reverse it,
I'm trying to see if I just want to get some trades.
Or at
on.
least another run of the high, because we do kind of have equal highs right here in the 15 minute.
I'm thinking we just run this low and I get like a push to the top side. Something like this. That would be best case scenario for the open, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Because I'm just looking at time and price. Time and price is what is the reason I'm looking to get in right now. Going into this
Taking out
area.
the previous day's high. I know that.
Oh yeah, no. If it does, I don't.
It'll be on a reversal. We've already taken out the previous day's low, so they keep dumping.
All right, we're getting into this area now. I'm thinking about whether I should go long or wait. I like this gap at the open though. That's my main thing.
Did say Powell is speaking later, so I mean.
Yeah, I ain't gonna be on later though. Best bet is bearish, yeah, but I don't know. Like I said, this could just be the continuation if it just keeps going lower. Potentially.
Oh yeah, that
Time to
15 minute
Powell
closed below two bearish candles.
Which one? 5 minutes?
How long you had no eggs on?
Is there a bank holiday soon?
Oh, I was to be fun.
I'm not sure.
Oh damn! Friday, I'm seeing all these red folders.
I kind of want to take this trade, but at the same time, it's like, is it just because I haven't taken trades, or is it valid? But I think it's valid.
Is it?
It's just one of them things. If it's going to be a continuation, it's not going to run this low. But if it runs the low, then that setup's invalid regardless. But I'm just kind of watching how it's playing, coming back to the open,
Yeah.
retesting the London low with the order block. It's just a type of thing where, do I just want to take the trade? Because if I get stopped out and it goes higher, am I going to look to take the short?
If you put your stop below the,
it's going to be below this low, yeah. It's going to be like a 45,
it'll be a
40 point.
Yeah, it'll be a. You won't
This
have
might
a,
be
too crazy.
All right, I'm going to get in here. Going into the open, I'm anticipating the push. Ideally, 800 is where I'm targeting. But my stop's going right below the London low. This is a little bit risky. But I like the way it's playing out. The setup is there. Nonetheless, the setup is there. That's all I can say. If it stops me out, well,
I wanted to see.
it is what it is.
Oh damn! I just posted a bearish setup.
Shit, you know how it be.
Bro,
I like the.
And niggas
like
be using the term bearish to indicate they bullish movement, and I'd be so confused.
I said possible sell.
You're crazy.
I'm looking at his and I was thinking mine. You funny, Kev. I said, why do I keep calling you Kev, bro?
I definitely see a bullish push because you know the 8:30 open. You never know.
Oh yeah, I'm about to be break even. Oh, and look at that. Oh.
Like I said, you got equal highs right there too. So
come on, give me break even at least right now.
Because it's back at the 79 low key. Damn, this might be the move.
Huh, look at that.
It might be. It's a short-term bullish move.
Yeah, it's short term for sure. I just want to 700 or this high is best case scenario. But 800, that's ideal for me right now.
800 might be pushing it, but I think it'll definitely hit 7. 800 might not be pushing.
It's not that bad because you can still go short from there. You can still go short from there. It looks big because it's the big range to the left, but it's still like retracement wise.
I broke even first.
I'm not break even yet. I'm gonna wait. I already know how it be. I'm gonna wait till we engulf and shit. And come on, keep going. Oh, you engulfed in then. Look, you know what's crazy? This is my TP1. Let's see how it plays today.
Mhm.
Let's see how it plays. Oh, it's 600. That's why. Never mind. I'm thinking it's playing with my TP. It's because it's a big figure. All right, I'm breaking even. Not gonna risk it. You know how it be.
No need to.
Let's just see if this keeps on pushing from here. Because I don't like how it's starting to close and already start to try to come a little lower. Usually at the open, I want to see it like have a major push with the volume kicking in. We'll see. Just let's see if
It
the
rejected
600
off.
600 is gonna hold. Let's say that's what it's rejecting right now.
You know, I mean,
I'm break
it's
even though,
up
so
to
whatever
break even.
happens, yeah, I'm gonna see. I just don't like
The
breaking
break,
even right away because it comes down like this, and it's like, damn, should I keep it?
but the setup is still valid.
Yeah, but I don't like when it does
Unless
this
it
right away
breaks that low, then it's
because it never
valid.
engulfed that nut. But then again, it's only been 3 minutes in a 15-minute candle. We'll see. I just don't like how it's this moving right now. I would have rather it engulfed, closed, maybe, than had a retracement.
It get you.
It's not gonna get me. Regardless, I'll probably get stopped at break even, but we'll see. At least I was able to break even pretty fast. So
This may end up pushing up.
it's not that I don't think it's gonna push. It's just a matter of when. That's always the thing. Is it gonna stop me out first? Is it gonna run? Then come? Is it gonna run these lows and go up? Like the direction is usually not hard to like get a good indication, but if when it's gonna do it is the main thing. Because you can have the right direction and wrong timing. And that's happened to me plenty of times. All right, keep them golfing, big bro.
Let's see how it reacts off of this area marked up. I'm gonna look for a fair value gap. I think
Look,
that'll
this
be
what
a
you be
safer.
saying, Cal. Close above 2 candles. We got a minute. Let's see. Close above both of them.
Yeah, I don't say it looks bullish. But you still got that fair value gap,
I'm
like
just
you
glad I
said.
got in when
So
I
that
did. Look at that. I'm just glad when I got in when I did.
No, let me see where you got it.
570 on FTMO.
I ain't gonna lie, them candles, the two
Which
candles.
challenge are you doing, Andre?
What you call it? I'm not on a challenge right now. But it's 100K. That's the only one I've ever done. I've never even bought any challenges below that.
Right.
I just don't see the point in it. It's all the same risk reward, in my opinion.
The 100K is 600.
It's like 5 something. Damn, come on, bro.
Go
Keep
for
pushing, bro.
sure up there.
All right, well, we didn't close above those 2 candles. So that's tough. Barely engulfed at this point. Damn, that's looking bearish on the 1 minute.
Looking at the 5 minute.
I'm on the 1 minute right now, but 5 minute on the like my trading view chart. I'm on the 1 minute on MetaTrader. It's about to stop me out. Damn. We'll see. This could still go higher, but I don't really believe in it like that. If it's gonna keep coming this low. But we'll see. I don't know if I'll take another trade or not.
I don't know. I don't like how low it just went.
That's what I'm saying. It could still go up, but it's like I don't like when it plays around entry like this.
That's how it was yesterday for me, and I FOMO'd into a trade yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I'm just not trying to do. I'm already, regardless if I could lose this, I'm not losing nothing. But then it's if I'm gonna get into another trade after, that's gonna fuck me up. That's the only reason I don't want to take an unnecessary loss. That's my main thing, because I know if I take this loss, I'm gonna want to get another one. All right, look at that. What's going on? That almost stopped me out, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's just hope it doesn't keep going up and down right now.
It looks like it wants to run the high of that candle.
I hope so.
It's like
Well,
Hope
I'm
so.
looking at the 5 minute.
it just ran the low, so
It's back and forth right now, so it's just
oh
consolidating.
shit.
Oh shoot, if we're gonna go bearish and show bearish.
Damn, bro, this is choppy right
I
now.
mean, I think we're still bullish until we break that London session low.
Yeah,
I definitely think we'll see 11.5 or 400 though, personally.
11.5. We could.
Oh well, we
I
already
think. I
touched
think
eleven
long
five.
term. I think long
We already
term we
did.
can. Like if we get a reversal later on with speaking, I think 500 for sure. If it's anything like yesterday, shit. But right now, this is just. It looks like it
Niggas
must
say
get
he
lower.
nervous.
Who?
Man,
Uh,
it feel like that.
It look like the market about to go down a little bit more.
yeah, it's about to break me even.
Probably what's it called manipulation. They better crash them bitches.
Yeah, I would wait for 360 on SPF because that's the
Yeah,
if that
that's got
shit
to stop that
fall.
break even. All right. Oh, look at that. You bitch ass pair. That's crazy.
At 360.
That's
I need a good
two
pullback.
to pip is crazy. Two to pip is crazy. Damn. Damn. Go lower after that, bro. Do not do me like that.
He said go lower
Like
after
shit, bro.
that.
Like
This
I'm
is
looking at
bad
it,
for
bro.
Pop.
I'm looking at it because after the trade, I still have like my risk reward thing, and it literally tapped the entry and then went back up.
By the way, it just pushed down. It looks like it might just trend lower.
Yeah. It already passed the base of the candle.
Yeah.
We'll see how these 15-minute
Still
candles
believe the up
close,
move
but
about to happen though.
I'm gonna see how that 9:45 momentum is because that's when we got news.
Okay. Candlestick
9:45. I thought it was
anatomy.
10.
I might run this low right here, come into this fair value gap a little bit more, but I'm really waiting until 9:45 right now. Then I'm gonna see what happens within there.
9:45.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was at
Yeah,
10.
right here would be a good buy, but I wanted to come a little lower. This is actually my bro 3760 lit though.
It's the type of thing where it's risky, but if it plays
That's a
out,
fake
then it's
buy.
there. I don't know, I'm gonna just wait and see what happens. Maybe fill in this full gap. But right now, this fib is getting invalidated. So
Definitely. At this
I'm about
area.
to tell right here is do or die.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for shorts at this area.
Let me see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, consolidation. Wednesday the breakout. Thursday, Wednesday, and Atlanta the pullback. But this pullback isn't.
Okay.
This isn't a full pullback to me. So Thursday reversal day. That's another confluence. It's a couple things that will make me
they're
want to
both
go
melting
bullish,
right
but
now.
just looking off market structure, I want to be bearish.
Yeah.
US30 just filled in that gap.
For us to be really bullish, we would have to clear that high, which 1270.
I think we're probably gonna get a push from here at 9:45, in my opinion.
Yep, me too. I believe we just got to go ahead and test this low again. See if we gonna hold or fold. We're doing the same shit all week. No cap.
Damn, they talking about PNB Rock on the news. That's foul. Leave that man alone.
He said leave them in alone. But yeah, I'm thinking a nice little buy here could be possible, but we'll see. As long as it holds that London low. Once the London low gets ran, that's when it's invalidated. But until then, from 600, you could definitely probably get a move going into 9:45 if it's good news, because we had good news earlier. So if it's also good news, it could push. But you know how that should be.
You know what exactly what?
Cause I want to be bearish, but I'm not selling anywhere. At least until 7, like 23 minimum. At least. Anyway, I'm just looking at a US30 filled that gap, tapped into the London. If it just holds that trend, then it should be valid. But only time will tell. We'll see how this is at the open. Filled in the gap. Oh, that shit going. Yeah, it might
Looking
just
at
be
the
running for the
15, there's
London
a
low.
nice little imbalance you can possibly get a nice little trade off of.
Yeah, if it runs this London low, I'm just gonna call it a die. I'm not even gonna bother. Cause I can't make any sense of doing anything besides trying to get into a buy from this imbalance. So any sells would have been 700, 800, or maybe even here, but 845 at that retracement. And the 1 minute's closing bearish. Yeah. We're probably gonna run that low. You might get a bullish scenario down there, but for the most part, I'm probably just gonna call it a die. I don't really like the way it's moving.
Continuation. Starting to catch on more to those fair value gap continuation trades. On the 5 minute, I can see how we continued.
Yeah, this is just bearish. Wasn't no setup within the time I've been here. I mean, I got that short term buy, but that wasn't enough. Ooh. Yeah, there goes the London low.
As I'm gonna have to be up early.
Yeah, rest in peace. This is just dropping.
Oh, they're only an hour behind. A little bit.
Yeah, bro. What?
No, I don't think Costa Rica's too
Caribbean's
far.
not too bad. I think the Caribbean only like gets up to like 3.
I'll say they're only an hour behind. I'm straight.
I'm actually Costa Rican. I've never been.
Yeah, me either.
Are you Costa Rican too? No, you
Nah,
said
Filipino.
you was Filipino, Blasian.
No, every time I tell people out that like on the inclusives, like I've been to Mexico and DR. Every time somebody, oh, Manny Pacquiao, we love
I'm
Manny
dead.
Pacquiao.
Hey, yo.
I'm like,
I'm
what
dead,
the hell?
bro.
Manny
They draw
Pacquiao.
on you for that. They draw on you for
We
that.
love Manny Pacquiao.
All right, we got this news coming in at 9:45. Let's see. I don't want to take another trade, but at the same time, I do want to see price get a push from this area.
Unemployment claims was good.
What I'm thinking is I'm probably gonna try to take a long within the breaking this low, and if this doesn't play out, then that's my buy setups are done, and I'm done for today.
The Asia low.
Yeah, just because
Yeah,
now that we
if we
ran
can see a
London
reversal,
low,
I can see that
I
happening.
pulled a fib from the previous day's low to this high, so we ran this low. So I think that's the best case reversal scenario if we're gonna actually have a reversal trade right now. Because I did think it was gonna be bearish, but we might get the bearish move when Powell speaks, in my opinion. Because I feel like
No,
he's
this
more
is
likely to drop it. But whatever this 9:45 news is, I think that's gonna be what's gonna keep me
well,
in the game.
Doesn't the news normally drop when Powell speaks?
Usually.
usually it says when he's speaking. I didn't see it on there, but I guess if he is speaking shit, that's what I was telling Andre before everybody hopped on. I was like, shoot, I didn't even know he was talking, but because that adds like a different perspective.
Yeah, I looked at it like 10 minutes ago.
What website do you use? I'll be on Forex Factory.
Let's see. Let's see if this risky reversal plays out. Reversal Thursday is. Let's see what happens. Or if it's
Thank
going to be a
you.
trending
It
Thursday.
happened.
Shit. But we'll just keep it at the previous day's low. Best case scenario, we hit 800. Ideal situation, 700. Break even around 600. Yeah, run as
This
high.
drop is so extensive, it has to push back up. I don't know if it's going to be for a continuation
Shit,
to the sell
it's
side
just
or
it's just a matter of when. That's how I'm looking at it. Like I know where I want to see it go and everything. It's just when. When are you gonna play out?
well, we got the high of the day in London, so really that can easily get ran.
There we go.
Yo, Andre, how's moving into the new crib, bro? I haven't spoken to you since.
It's valid. Coolio. I'm tired of moving though. Shit. I'm
Nigga,
ready
you
to
don't
stay
got
there.
to no more.
Yeah, I'm
You
good
didn't
now.
even have to the first time.
Hey man, be like that. But yeah,
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I found my car is ready for this car meet. I'm hype as shit.
you said you found your
It's the
cars.
biggest, no, biggest car meet on the East Coast this weekend
Where?
at Wildwood.
Yeah, chalked.
Watch
I
this in a
told
minute.
you about that, Jordan.
I thought you told me about the one in New York or something.
No, it's the same joint. It's the same joint. It's in Wildwood.
Mm. That was New
They
York.
be getting busy in New York too, though.
Yeah, because New
I'ma
York they
just
be wildin'.
spectate on this trade. Yeah, they do.
I'm just trying to break even, but we could reject this imbalance and keep going lower. But we'll see.
I
I
mean,
mean, it does look
it's
30 for the buy.
it's
I
lining
can't
up
even
with my
lie. Yeah,
analysis.
Shit,
it lines up with
mind
the
you,
analysis for sure.
it lined up last time. I still got stopped. So we're gonna see. I don't even.
Well, I'm saying
I wait.
it's
You
lining
talk
up with
about
that
never
bear
forget.
scenario.
Never forget.
Never forget, bro. I,
No, never for no cap though, bro. That should be hurt.
like unless this engulfs within the next 12 minutes, it could still go down. Like even the other one engulfed and it still went down. So this is a matter of just being patient. I'm gonna hold this one until I'm at least at 600. So up here, then I'll break even.
I hear you.
I'm not even gonna do it at the 1-to-1 because I don't even know how it's gonna play out right there. I'm just looking at how US30 is at these lows. It kind of ran it. Now it's doing this very same thing after clearing the London low, going into the news. So looks nice. We'll see. I'm trying to hold it ideally to TP4.
Might get a run of that Asia low for another manipulation. To
Oh,
the
if it does
downside.
that, I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm not even gonna
Hey,
bother at
yo.
that point. No cap. I'm like, look, it can
Tell
go
you
higher
hurt
from
his
there.
feelings with that statement, bro.
Nah, cause like it's gonna at that point it's like doing the same thing. London low, you thought it might not get ran, got ran. Then London low got ran. You try to buy that.
For sure.
Then if it goes for Asian low, it's also the previous A's low. It's also the 500 level, and it's like, all right, bro. There's a lot of.
If running a London low is disrespectful already.
At least the London low gives me good influence, especially with how US30 is reacting. But I don't know. I'm gonna see.
It could have just been grabbing the liquidity.
Yeah, it's just about waiting and being patient right now. Anything could happen. Like I said, it went back into that imbalance and it's kind of came back down now. But we'll see. It's not over till you get stopped.
Money big enough, nobody took. Yeah, that's not gonna be lit. No.
Had already hit the base of the candle.
The seasons is switching and shit. Anybody know when fall officially starts?
I think now. I think
Today.
summer's over.
Talk about today. Are you dead ass?
I think so. Or tomorrow.
Yeah, happy birthday again, bro. That's fire. What you finna do today?
That is just. I don't really celebrate my birthday, but
You
yes.
going to Costa Rica?
Why, bro? You one of them?
Yeah, I don't
Costa
celebrate
Rica, the
holidays.
post celebration. It's not a holiday, bro. It's your birthday.
Man, I'm just thankful to be alive every day.
Hear you. But a year is like a milestone.
The way I look at it,
you know what I'm
we
saying?
celebrating getting older. I'm cool, bro. I'm cool.
Hey,
Yeah,
yo,
that's
being
what I'm
older
saying,
is
like-
chilling though, bro.
Nah, one step closer
I didn't
to
wanna
not being
be on
here.
this earth forever, nigga.
I do.
I'll tell you that right now.
I do.
You talk about I do. Yo.
I do. If I could be immortal, I
Bro.
would.
All I know is I feel like I'm
No, you
serving my
wouldn't, bro. I'm
purpose.
telling
Nah,
you.
I would, bro. I would be a vampire. If I could choose right now, I would do it.
Really, nigga?
Yeah.
You would live forever?
Yep. I'm gonna see
I
everything.
feel like that's
I'm gonna be the smartest man alive.
for sure if you live forever.
Exactly. I'm gonna know everything. I'm like, oh, Abe, that was my boy. He died in like He died like 300
Died
years
like
ago.
4,000 years ago. Yeah, respect.
Like, yeah, he was cool people though. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna
Say,
go
they don't
lower.
Make niggas like him no more. Yeah.
If it don't hold 500, it's going lower. Then I'm just gonna call it a day.
Well, I wanted to see the possible Asian game.
Yeah, if it runs Asia, I'm gonna just let it stop me. It's cool. It could do whatever from there.
I start holding myself to a maximum of 2 positions per day.
Yeah,
That's
that's
too
usually
much.
what I try to do. It depends. Like
Yeah,
even then, two could be a lot depending on what you're risking.
it is. It is. It is a lot. I didn't even take. You know what I'm saying? I'm done. I'm just relax because I have a problem.
Yeah, I'm on my second one now, so we'll see. Matter of fact, I'm not. Technically my third. I didn't. The first one was break even. I probably shouldn't have
I
counted it,
got
but
you.
hey,
Nah, I don't think about like even because it's basically like nothing happened. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, still a trade. Though. That's how I look at it. Time I use, effort, stress.
Brain power.
Mm-hmm. 'Cause even though I didn't take nothing, it's still gonna affect me like a regular trade would.
I just realized
Just because I didn't make anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes that could be worse than actually taking a trade, knowing that you missed one, because that's when you feel more in.
Real shit. Yo, them Ripple cases though, they just got settled. Well,
Mm.
not settled, but they both filed for motions.
Mm.
okay, okay.
And basically Ripple's motion was them that basically in their whole motion they were just explaining what a crypto is and what a security is and how Ripple doesn't fall into a security. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then the SEC was basically filing a motion like doing the complete opposite, saying like using basically Ripple's words against them type beat. You know what I'm saying? They're saying like, oh well, they said this, so like da 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 da, like da da da. So and all unfair, in all honesty, bro, this whole case was bullshit.
Yeah.
In all honesty, I really feel like they were just delaying them flipping the switch for some shit.
Yeah, remember, yeah,
Because
there's an agenda for everything, bro.
if you look at the press conference, the Fed's meeting yesterday too, what were they talking about when Biden was speaking? They were talking about implementing crypto and shit. China also just had a fucking uh statement put out to their public about them implementing crypto or a centralized bank token into their system. So like their crypto is gonna be like a part of the banks down there now, and that shit gonna be Ripple, bro. I'm telling you, Ripple is been partnering around the world, dog. And once the banks start moving their money in that market, bro, it's a clipload.
This Asia low is coming in close to the next hour.
Yeah, remember that XPI shit flew since the last time you talked about it. That shit was at like 32 cents.
Bro, it's at 44 now, nigga,
Bro, that was a
and
good
they
call out last
still
week.
and they still getting sued, bro. What fucking thing goes up during a lawsuit?
What?
Anything.
Well, especially with all the other cryptos going down.
Bro, that's the first sign. It's it deviating from the market system. You feel me?
Yeah, facts.
Bro, first off, XRP ain't even go above 40 cents in the last 3 months. All of a sudden, quote unquote, or in quotation marks, it's not random. You feel me? Like the case is ending. You know what I'm saying? Price is starting
Yeah,
to go up.
I just read
that make a
So
lot
something.
I'm
of
watching
sense.
that shit.
I just read something. It said I never met a baby named Ashley. It's kind of true. It was like they're always
Interesting.
growing. They're always growing. That's
Interesting.
true.
No, that's very, very interesting.
It's funny. I took care of a wedding party last night, and their last name was Ashley.
You look at that.
Their last name?
That's an interesting
Yeah, it
last
was
name.
last name.
That's
Karen
suspicious.
Ashley. Bro,
I mean, I
what are
really
you
like
doing,
that.
Nas?
About to go to the top.
Nah,
US 30's
Makai said it
trying.
though. That shit opened with no volume.
Nah, yeah, it did. Not kind of. It did have a little bit, not a lot though.
What
A
do you
little bit,
like?
Yeah,
The
this looks
first
not
few
much.
manipulated
minutes,
though, because it's
definitely.
too
Like it's
slow.
like they're holding it there.
It's
Yeah,
too
you feel
slow.
me?
Yeah, that we at that 3760 level. That's why we make a break. If we break, but we're going below 3600. We're going down to that. If we hold, we go back to the
37.60.
highs.
You looking at S&P? I was like, what the 37? I was looking at it right.
3760 on the S&P.
Yeah,
That's
Walt.
major.
What made you start looking at S&P, Walt?
Just cause like bro, I can find the key levels on there and like if they hold or
It's the
fucking
same shit, honestly. I'm just
yeah
wondering.
It's just
yeah,
slower.
but it's like
It's not as big.
S&P bro, it's like I don't know, bro. It's just like one of
It's
them
like
joints. It seems
more
like
of a
it's a leading factor. Like US
yeah. I
30
was
used
gonna
to
say
be a
it's more
leading
of a
factor.
leading index.
In my opinion, I feel
I
like
respect it. I
volume
see two
wise,
trades of
it
S&P.
goes S&P, Nas, US 30. I think that's like the
Yeah,
Sure.
order.
I always
facts.
thought it was S&P US
Nah,
30.
S&P. I feel like it be moving like real slow compared to like when these two be
Oh yeah.
moving. It'll be
I
like
mean,
more
you have to think
structured.
about
It'll
the
be more
price of
More
structured.
volatility. More
Like they gotta
volatility
keep it
in
more
S&P.
structured. They can't just like flip all them businesses and shit.
Well, yeah, to me, I think that's why it's been
It's more
trendy. It's just
stable.
because it's more like defined because there's more businesses in it. You
Hmm.
feel me?
And
That
30,
and
like
the price of it.
one business with 30, if something happens, it affects it more than say if 10
Hmm.
happen with S&P.
But at the end of the day, those top 30 businesses are what are really moving S&P to two. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, more than likely.
Top
Or
30.
or it's not even business, it's just people like us and the people trading. We just
It's
making it
really
all
just
rotate.
banks.
We just all
It's
rotating.
It's
banks.
real. Nah, bro. I was about to say, bro. It's not niggas like us. It's banks.
Nah, but we add up for a portion though. It's like people that actually look at
Yeah,
charts,
all of us.
trade.
You know what
Yeah,
I'm
like our
saying?
stop losses and shit.
Shit, yeah, you got it.
Dude, one day they're gonna be sick because there's gonna be too many of them.
Nah, it would never be too enough. It's just gonna make more volume. They got too much money. They'll
Bro,
just
I
put
can't
more.
wait till they
They'll just
start.
put more money in to wipe us out even more.
Bro, they're gonna start putting their money in the crypto market, bro. That's why they're trying to regulate that shit now before the market crashes.
Yeah, I think they
I
already
wonder
got
if
money in
there's
it.
anything like any like games you can go in and like collect cryptos.
Nah, probably not yet.
That'll
Actually,
be hard.
wait, you said a game that you could go in and what?
Collect crypto.
Collect crypto for playing it?
Yeah,
Word,
that'd be hard.
that would be 30.
I think that's where they're gonna go with that VR shit eventually. Kind of like Ready Player One, if y'all ever seen that.
Yeah, that was a good movie.
We're going into
That had
10
really
o'clock.
interesting concepts.
I don't
They
like
already got a
this.
virtual Madden they're working on.
Bro, the metaverse is getting crazy, nigga. They're having niggas already
Something
buy
like that
digital
today.
land on there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mr. Metaverse.
Like niggas can buy, you know, the NFTs and shit. Like niggas can go and store the NFTs in their metaverse house or whatever the fuck. They're like digital pieces of art.
Next
this
thing you
shit
know, you
better
got
hold
niggas in the metaverse
500.
breaking into your virtual home, and you got to get
Bro,
virtual
The fact that
insurance.
they just
Run your
stopped me out. Oh my god.
Let's stop
This
you
is
out.
why I
my
don't use
man brought
stop
up
loss.
that.
Nah, that's why
This
you
is
don't
why I
use.
don't use stop
That's
losses,
why you don't
bro.
use a 10-point stop
Nah,
loss.
whoa, don't do it. Don't be mad at the
Like, bro, if
stop
it was
loss.
50, you would have been good. It's the fact that
Hey,
bro,
bro,
I
I
know it was
don't
10.
use stop. Bro, I'm gonna be good because if it break, it could dump. I'm gonna be good.
I see why you
But
don't use
bro,
stop loss, but it's
But
too
you'd be rather
small. That's
take
the
the
thing.
stars,
It's too
bro.
small. That's the problem. If it was 50,
10 points is really small,
10 is
You have to
crazy,
know
bro.
what you're
And
risking
you know
every
you'd be
trade.
crazy, bro. You know
But
you'd
10,
be
10
crazy.
points 10 points on S&P is different though.
Yeah. It's like 10
10 points on
points is probably like
S&P is longer. It's like
35.
20, yeah, it's like 20-30 on S&P. 10 points is like 20-30.
But still,
they
though.
just blowed me, bro. No
Was
cap.
your stop at 500? Had to be.
Nah, bro.
Had to be, though.
I bought 37.62 type shit. Put the stop at 37.57. It came straight to 37.57 in reverse, bro.
Hey, shit. Be like that.
It be weird shit, bro.
What happens to me every day.
Niggas be on my phone tapped in, like nigga, get the fuck off.
It's just this area in general. Cause shit, I got stopped off. I got stopped at where we are at price right now, from the trade before.
I try to take trades near
can
like
have it. You
key
can get it back.
levels, like bank levels.
Yeah, ideally it's around 500. It's tapped in now. It's projecting. I don't see why I wouldn't want to try to push higher, but you know how it be.
Bad. We gonna see about
On
that shit.
FTMO, we haven't tapped 500.
Yeah, but usually it probably doesn't. I just go off my trading view at this point. FTMO be moving a little wonky.
No, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, which chart should I actually?
I just go off trading view,
Really
bro.
should be.
It's just like I would like if I see an imbalance. Sometimes a little bit different. I'll try to match it a little bit, but for the most part, bro, I just go off of trading view because FTMO be weird.
Yeah.
I'd rather just stay on one, or if I'm gonna just use FTMO, but I would rather have it on the big screen where I could do all the markups. It just makes more sense. FTMO need to make a chart feed. Put it on here. Oh god.
Yeah.
I don't know. This can go both ways right now. I'm on the bullet side, but I can see it just running that low, just cause.
Yeah, that's what I would want to see first. That Asian
Yeah, there it goes. It's slowly coming.
because there's a lot of liquidity built up.
If it runs that low, I'm gone, bros. I'm done. Took my energy for a week. Won't even probably trade tomorrow. I'm gonna just come back next week at this point.
Fuck? It was Limo. Limo was talking about the 11,500 badge yesterday.
11,500. It would have been good if you got it like last night. We are not moving. We're just slowly moving down.
If if
I
if it
think you.
hold, then maybe a swoop under, maybe like 470, 460, just to get on buyers that power up, then bring it back above five.
Shit.
Cause I'm looking at the numbers, like yo, if you look at the numbers, like anything over the number five, like over under, anything over five is like bullish. Anything under four is like bearish, and that's just off the charts. That's price action. That's the anything dealing with the stock market with the number above five bullish, below five bearish type shit. And then it just goes numbers into numbers type shit.
Yeah. It all depends news though too.
Like yesterday, I caught a back. I caught the Linden low right from 37.60, and I took it all the way to 37.78. But I wanted to sell at like 30, what was it, like 37.90, 30 something shit like that. I got in early, so I did my stop. I did the calculations. I'm like, bro, this shit moving increments of like 15, 20, 70 points. I'm like, if it move higher than 24 points, then I'm gonna cut it. And went up like 23 points, then reversed back. Then I got back into profit. So I'm like,
The
okay,
momentum's starting to kick
knowing
in a
now,
little bit, going into 10 now. You can just tell with these candles the way they're moving now.
I
That
think
could
it's
be
about to
good or
come
bad
in.
though. We'll see.
Yeah, I think by 10:30 we done.
We're not moving. This just makes you want to cut this trade. I'm waiting, but it looks like it's slowly making its way. That doji did nothing. Only time will tell. But right now, looking at it on the right, on US 30 still coming lower. It is at that 30,000 level, but we'll see.
Yeah, we had big time support, so I still expect to push. We ain't had no fucking crazy news today.
Nope. Volume is not here.
Oh, that nigga Powell speak tomorrow.
He
It
speaks
might even
tomorrow
close
too.
today. No cat come back tomorrow and this nigga speak.
He's speaking right now.
Nah, he gonna speak tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
Thought it was today.
Andre mentioned something earlier. He was supposed to be speaking
I think
soon.
it's today. He might be
Is
today
this
Cause he
that
has
actually.
that 10:30? That's
Nah,
natural gas.
it was a 14. I think that's one. Something like that. Slowly waiting for this push.
all right. Look at the chart now, LT. What you see? What you see? I see this high low just got broken. Now I want to see a retest to take it to the lower low.
You got hit 500 on
Correlation in
FTMO
this
now.
area.
Yeah, 500 got hit on FTMO now.
If we want to see a retest at a higher low to take it to the lower low, that means we can find a buy setup to take it up, and it'll be an institution push, and it come into time and price. That make a lot of sense to me. I think we just need to get it at the right spot though. 37.60, bro.
There we go. Slowly but surely. I want to see 700. If I can get 700, I'm all out. All out right there. I'll leave a runner. But that's ideal because I'm trying to get like a 1 to 3 to at least make up for this trade that I lost.
Word, bro. The 700 is supposed to give us the sell entry early, so we gotta go back up there type shit.
This could be the reversal though. If this is the reversal, then it should hit 700. But you know how it be. No
Mm-hmm.
promises.
I feel like 10:30 will give us a good setup though.
It's just not moving though. That's my main thing. We just failing to move.
11,540 for the sales on Nasdaq. I don't know. We gonna break that level.
Sometimes I wish I was a swing trader. Really
Primo be
do.
hedging, huh?
Or he'd be all the above. You ask if it's a thing, he probably do it or did it before. No cap.
Crazy. But I get what he's doing though.
Damn, bro. I should have held my USD. My bro, USD JPY fucking dumped like 6,000 pips.
Fine.
Bogey, bogey,
Come on, let's get into
bogey. Give me
golfing.
shit,
Mm.
bro.
Golf, please.
CHF JPY. That's a good. Yeah, that's a. Damn, what the fuck happened? That shit look
I
like
just
the
need this to
COVID
fly.
gap.
Like, watch. It's gonna be everything. We gonna wait all this time. It's just gonna be one candle that throws price all the way up or down.
That's what we need. We just gotta wait for that one candle.
Well, if it's just one candle, I may end up looking for a short.
If it's just one candle, I'm getting out, and you can short all you want, bro. We
Yeah.
good, bro. Just one
Sure
candle's all
will.
I need. I'm like, listen, bro. I'm getting out right now, right here. This price. I'm gonna sell it to you for half off. Friends discount.
Sounds like a good deal.
That be the shit. They said, nigga, in the market, they gonna take your money, nigga, and then they gonna sell it back to you later on.
Mm-hmm.
You
All the
gotta
money,
wait for
all
it
the
to get
money
out
is
of
being
price.
recycled. This is all this shit being recycled.
Nah. Hell no. No. Nigga. What the fuck? I gotta smoke some weed after that one.
Just
Said the magic
patiently
word.
waiting. There's you 30.
That's what they was. They wanted to talk about some weed.
They was like, yeah.
Man,
They was like, the price is going up. They was like, we could tax it. Say that. Say that. Say that. Say that.
these some old bitch ass niggas, bro. Cause like, why the fuck they gonna pull the shit up after hitting my stop loss, man? It didn't like, bro. They ain't even give nigga like no type of sign,
The
like
way I'm
thumbs
looking
up
at
and
it,
shit.
you probably got stopped out with like thousands and thousands of other people. If it hit you to the pip, it was probably a whole bunch of people just like you know.
Yeah, no cat. Everybody had their stop right there. And it was funny because I'm looking at the woman. I'm like, where can I put the stop? And I just did some dumbass retail shit. So
Oh yeah.
I can't blame nobody with myself.
Because when you got stopped out, it's like right when we hit 500 is what it seemed like. Well, within that area.
Yeah, I should have been looking at Nasdaq too. I was just looking at 3760, and it only went 4 pips under 3760. So yeah, 10 point step with it. 10 point stop would have been cool for sure. I just I don't know.
Hey, you
Guess
live
I ain't
and
want to risk
learn.
that much.
Live and learn. That's all.
Yeah, I'm trying to goddamn keep my winners more than my losers because like I've been doing crazy this week, so I want to count my like that.
Yeah, that's what
That week.
I'm trying to hold this to a certain area so I can at least make like 2-3 times what the loss was. At least keep it good equity. But it's like, damn. When we
I like
move
to
this
leverage
slow, I
my
try to
bets.
get out as soon as I can because there's no promises. Because right now we are not moving. Even though it is trying to flip bullish, when it does this, it just wastes my time, and I usually it just ends up closing bearish and then stopping me out anyway. I'm like, all right.
Mhm.
So, because as you can see, we engulfed and we're already coming all the way right back down.
And if you're looking at it, we got 20 minutes to that 10:30. So you make it make sense, big
London
man.
low cleared, fill that gap, tapped in a 500, going into 10,
Uh-huh.
1030. It should push, but
Yeah, all the confluence is there for us, man. They just playing. It's a Thursday, man. It's a tricky Thursday.
and looking for a reversal on Thursday. It all makes sense, but hey, sometimes it's not meant to be.
Ain't that right? Uh,
What happened to Powell, Andre?
Ain't there it's at like 1. It's not now.
Oh, mid
That,
market.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's not anytime soon. That's why I was like later on. That's why I'm looking for the buy now because later on, if he speaks, I can see why it would want to fall. That's like the
Oh,
Let me
whole.
see that on
he supposed to be speaking today.
Yeah, where is it?
FX or FX book.
Matter of fact, it might be tomorrow. I don't even know. Shit, who knows? But I just
I'm about to
know
say I got him speaking
that
tomorrow. But if he's speaking today, that's cool because it's not
regardless
listed.
if it's both today
Yeah.
or tomorrow, I ain't gonna be out trading around that time anyway. So I'd be out.
This is my first time coming to the FX books. What the fuck? Oh, you gotta make the account.
You don't got to. You could just go to economic calendar.
Oh, I see it.
Looks like we could push bullish. Closed above 3 bearish. Sam broke a short-term high. Bullish.
I'm just waiting on the 15. I'm not going any lower. I'm just waiting for this
Man,
15 minutes to
fuck this
close.
shit, bro. I was supposed to have that shit.
I mean, I traded US 30 for like a whole year and watching the 1 minute, so I'm pretty comfortable watching the 1 minute.
Yeah, not me.
Oh,
That
1
1
minute
minute
be
be
crazy, boy.
1 minute be killing me.
Yeah,
I
it looks
don't
like
see
it
everything I
getting ready
should.
to push up.
Shit, let's hope. Best case scenario.
Looks like it wants to push up.
Like I said, best case scenario, so give me the 700. I'll be cool. I'll take it.
Maybe not that high.
Nah, you right. Higher. 800. 800.
Oh shit, 66% long.
Oh, man.
That shit jumped up from 58.
Well,
Now it's at 60. What the hell?
they're all
That
probably
mean
trying
we
to go
finna
long
go
in here.
bullish.
I don't know. I feel like they're making it look like we're going to go long. They're just going to drop it. That's really what I'm getting from this. If we
Yeah,
wanted
that's
to
what the
push, I
day
feel like we
chart
would have
look
pushed
like.
by now, bro.
It's in the area where I wanted to see rejections.
Maybe it's just
Oh,
delayed. Maybe it's just delayed, though. I don't know. Who
There
knows?
go that push.
yeah, we're definitely going to 450 today.
4 food.
I ain't even see that shit on the daily chart. Wait, all this
Get
is
in
a
on a
retest
short-term buy.
at a higher low.
All right, there we go. Slowly but surely.
That's all you, Andre.
Yeah, slowly but surely.
That's money, dude. No cap.
All right, I'm gonna wait till we get to like 600 though to break even, just cause the amount of times we've came back to that London low, I'm not gonna break even yet.
I would say you see the 2 weeks right at 560. If it break 560 for sure, but if it reject here,
That's what I'm saying. That there's a little room in here to reject. That's why I'm like, let me just wait till at least we get above it.
We're gonna get a nice push.
All right, I'm about to
Yeah,
break even now.
I think 11,600 is ideal. Yeah, that high up there, because that's actually the short-term high I want to see manipulated.
All right, I'm break even. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Up, and there's the rejection. There you are. I knew you were coming.
there you go. That's the break and retest at that rejection.
Come on,
Got
keep
it.
going. I'm just
Take
trying
a
to get
shot.
my partial. Just keep on pushing up. Keep on going. Close bullish. No top wick. Nothing. Just rocket.
Fucking with this. I need 1030 to pull back into
I
that
want to see.
30.
I want to see no wick. I just want to see it look like a big blue rectangle.
Bro, look at the timing, bro. Take profit and then enter again at the low.
Bro, this better not retest London. I swear to God, bro. Cause I just broke
Got that
even.
little 15-minute imbalance.
I just broke even. If it
Close.
comes down to this London low again,
Then you could buy again.
nah, I'm gonna get stopped out again. That's
Okay.
what I'm getting.
Oh, you only taking that one trade. You like nigga.
I'm
fuck
not trying
that.
to keep taking trades. The more trades you take, the more risk you're just putting yourself in. So it's like not even worth it. Especially if you keep
Nah,
getting
you
stopped out on the
snatching
same
profit up,
bias.
man. I feel like if you're
Especially.
snatching profit up in the midst of taking these trades, then
Nah, see,
at
I'm not
least
taking.
it's
I'm
like
not
you're
taking
not-
partials though. That's the thing. I'm looking for a specific target. I'm not just gonna take it off at 1-to-1 because then if I lose a trade, then it's like I need it to be big enough to where it's gonna make up for the next 4 or 5 trades to where I can keep going. But if I take too many on a day, then I could take 3 losses. That's potentially 3 whole days that I have to win trades to even make it back. And I might not even get setups. Like I ain't trading 6 days. Imagine if I would have gone negative like that, then I don't trade for a whole week. Just Fucks you up. So that's why I just let it stop me out. I'd rather do that than keep entering. Because mind you, I've got stopped out 3 times, 2 times with the same bias. If I get stopped out 3 times with the bias, what's the chance of me getting stopped out 4? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty likely at that point. So it's like that's how I look at it. I look at it based off
That's why I'll
probabilities.
be looking to take profit if it even look like you want to draw back.
Yeah,
Fuck
but
that.
then I'm like I'm taking less than what I'm risking. So it's like, what was the point of me even taking the trade?
Yeah,
I'd
two to
rather
three
take less
trades
to put I
max.
risk than nothing, nigga.
Hmm. But I'm saying
I'd rather take
you were
less than
willing to
what I
risk
risk
something.
than
If
nothing.
you were like, say you're willing to risk 100.
I mean, we all, the risk is always gonna be there. I just feel like, well, for me, bro, I like when I open a trade because I know it's gonna be a risk. But once it goes to profit, it's like me cutting that risk off because it's like it's the psychology part, the emotions and
Mm-hmm.
shit. So if I know, nigga, if that shit about to pull back, or if I can go ahead and break even or put that bitch stop and profit, then I'm gonna do that shit.
I
And
mean,
if
yeah,
it
I'm at
come
break
back,
even. That's what I'm saying. I'm at break even. I'm just letting it do what it do.
yeah,
But
type shit.
if it
Like,
comes back, entering again is like, eh. It's like you
yeah,
shouldn't even
fact.
break even now.
They're trying to get at that same level for sure. I definitely want to see something cool to happen to enter again.
Damn, bro, this is
Something
not trying to
very
move, bro.
interesting that I have not seen. I done seen a lot of shit in these markets. There's a lot of shit I haven't seen, so I don't fucking know.
Right now, this market is
Be a spike
playing,
for
bro.
that.
It's just playing right now. I'm hoping this is just a retest, but at this point, it's not trying to leave this area.
3760
Damn.
get broken.
I'm dead, bro. My shit been muted this whole
Yeah, it
time.
looks like it's about to engulf. I ain't gonna
I
lie
was
to the
talking a
downside.
lot.
See, I knew it was gonna do something, bro. I could just tell.
But I was about to say that I was saying that fucking bearish engulfing was whack as fuck, and then it doji.
Yeah, it could still go up. We still got time with the candle, but
No,
I don't
it
like the way it
can,
looks.
because it's still like Kel said, it's still closing in that fair value gap or that liquidity void right there on a 1 minute. So it could just be closing that up, and then it could go back. You feel me? But I just don't like how it's moving.
Yeah, this is not valid right now.
And we got equal lows right at. Well, I'm looking at SPS, but 3760. Let me go to Nasdaq.
Damn,
Same
that
thing.
shit's
Equal,
dropping,
relative
bro.
That
equal lows right there at
what the fuck,
515.
bro? It
This is not
really is
trying to
just
go.
dropping. I'm gonna just secure my shit, bro. Fuck this trade.
Damn,
We'll
damn,
see.
damn.
It's
Ten
possible.
the setup, bro. One thing I realized about day trading, every day we gonna have one crazy setup. It don't matter if it's early or if it's late. I feel like we didn't get our setup for that sale yet, bro. So I fucking love the buys. It's just I feel like we gotta be on
The
point with
buys
the
aren't
buys because
standing though. It's
they
not
taking
holding.
people out the market right now. That's why they liquidating accounts, no cap, because they can.
I look at this 5 minute.
They did yesterday, so they know they can get a little bit more.
You
Yeah,
know,
like that move ain't happened till 2 on the dot, bro. Like
Yeah, this is dropping.
Yep, on the dot, and then I came back at 4 minutes later. I'm like, damn, I missed it.
bro, I was on the charts 2 minutes before it. That's why I was able to catch it.
No, we
I
were
was like, you
talking
gotta
about it
have
too.
yeah, we gotta. I was like, personally, like when I was trading, I was like, I gotta have this position before 2, because I know at 2 that shit's dying. Like
that's how
Mm,
I be
I've
on
seen it.
CPI. I be like, I
I've
gotta be
knew
in before 8:30, nigga.
that
I was
shit
wrong
happened.
about
Like
yesterday.
seen that shit happen before.
could push from here, but it's like, what are the
Bro, if
chances?
it pushes, I hope it pushes, but fuck that trade.
One,
Yeah, we're
two,
creating those equal lows too, so that'd be nice to get a push up then to come back down.
The only reason I would think this came down is because it ran the highs and just came down to retest to keep going higher. But it's like, I don't know.
I'm
Still a
fucking with
risky
that
situation.
500 level though, just for buys.
Let's see. I still want to see it go bullish, but it's the type of thing where, like I said, it's
We got
Yep.
10 minutes to the 10:30 candle, so maybe if we dip below, maybe break that low, and then it could have a fake breakout.
nah. If it starts breaking those lows, I'm gone. I'm not taking any other trades, but y'all got it. We're gonna see if this pushes, but if not,
I already chalked it. We just gonna see if it pushes or not.
I'm just looking at it based off US 32. US 30 came and filled in this gap, so it looks a little different from NAS, but the direction is more likely gonna stay the same. So I'm just sticking to the same bias, seeing what happens. But once it starts running, probably this low down here, I'm probably just gonna cut it from there. Not even gonna hold it to the previous day's low. No point. It's more than likely gonna run it if it comes that low.
All I need to do is hold on sales for fucking lending section, bro. That's why sometimes I don't be liking to take profit, bro. But when I don't be liking to take profit, those be the ones where the shit just reverse all the way back to my shit, and I do not fuck with that.
It's
I've
always better
had
safe than
Johns.
sorry.
I've had take profits not get hit by pips. Like that shit is stupid.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, like where is
Like a
this?
pip, bro. I remember I had maybe like a 120 point take profit, bro, and it missed it by like 2 points. I was like, what the fuck, bro? And I
Yeah,
wasn't looking
it's
at it.
just
That's why
devious.
I had it. You know what I'm saying? So
Uh-huh.
I came back and I was just like, what the fuck?
I don't know. These summer months, I haven't been liking it. I don't really. I'm about to not even trade summers, bro. All summers has been
Summer's
trash.
chilling.
Nah, this summer, all summers
We
be
in
trash,
Q3
bro.
now, right? It's really Q3 when the darkness starts.
Summers is no volume. Is just
October gonna be wicked
trash.
though.
Like all summer, bro. I've been missing
But they said
trades.
the last 2 weeks of this month were gonna be spooky.
I believe because September technically is historically a bad month for stocks. So
Yep. In history, we've crashed in September,
That's
Yeah,
their
like
month.
twice,
That's
I
the
think.
month that they like.
today's date,
Yesterday, I thought that shit was gonna
twenty
crash. Low
second.
key.
yeah. We just keep
Twenty
coming lower.
second.
I
Oh no,
do
you
not think
right.
we're
You
going
said
higher
20.
anytime soon. Right now, at this point,
Yeah, it's not trying to push up.
it's took me out like three different
Sad,
times.
bro.
Same area. Look, did this made it people think it was gonna go higher? It's go lower, like I was saying earlier. It once it
Nah,
breaks this
people
low,
with
I'm
lack of
out.
patience, they getting out their trade, and they gonna miss this move.
Hey, that's gonna be me. I'm calling it a day because this shit, it's not worth it.
Well, it's gonna be. Yeah, no, fuck this jump.
I'm not about to waste my time. This, for all I know, it's not even gonna go up. It's gonna keep going down.
3760 on SPX is holding. This shit,
Nah, bro. Look at the
Is
man.
daily.
it?
Look at the daily, bro. Look at all
It
this.
is. It
Look at all
is.
this.
So
Because
like
that was my
that's why
break
I'm just
even.
waiting for the right entry. I know it's gonna give me a candle. I can be like, okay, now, and I'm already knowing 3750 just for the sniper entry.
Let me see
Shit.
where gold going.
I'm just waiting for this to finally stop me up because I'm already mentally tired of watching this shit. Just playing gymnastics, just back and forth, not really going nowhere, just in the consolidation. It
Let
really
me see
hasn't
a
moved
check.
since the
Niggas
open.
hit.
We just moved down, had a small retracement. We're just trending lower again. Looks like it's probably gonna end up just being a continuation to the downside. And if it is a reversal, it's not anytime soon.
Tell me why I seen a picture of a nigga eating in a Roscoe's with the same pen talking about I wish a nigga would.
Oh yeah.
Hell no.
With the same platter. With the same exact platter. He's crazy. He ordered the same shit. He's built different. Send you bro.
Come
I'm about
on,
to
bro.
punch
Just
me
give
in.
us that push up.
Okay. This was my productive moment. This was me being productive. I'm not. Because I'm going to keep looking at the charts. What you got to do that you don't want me playing the game? Hating ass.
And
Double bottom. If this pushes from here, everything I learned about retail must be true. Good shit. If I went through all this learning for the retail mindset to play out on this trade, bro, I'm gonna lose my mind.
I mean, it could be valid short term.
Hey, just enough to get me back to break even. I'm just calling it a day.
That's the thing. I think retail ideas are valid in a sense for short term moves,
Yeah.
nothing long, like intraday, like real intraday moves.
Uh-huh.
Oh man.
Retail, I think ideas are really just to help you like build around whatever idea. Whatever. I take it all with a grain of salt. Yeah, I think it's gonna fake out people to the bullish side, luring more buyers.
All I need is like 630. That's all I need for a cool 100 points. But are you gonna play up? We'll find out next time.
All right, yeah, I think I'm finna hop off this John. I'm not gonna take no more trades for today.
All right.
That should look like
Yeah, it's ass right now.
it
All right,
already
bro.
broke. So
I mean, if you're not in anything, just leave it. I'm just waiting for mine either. Just get taked out, or I could take TP. That's all I'm waiting for.
but all right, gang.
All right, bro. You be
Be
safe.
safe. XRP to the moon. I'm gonna talk to y'all niggas later.
All right, bro. You be safe. I'm just waiting for the volume. Back to us, Kev. I keep calling you Kev, bro. Why, who was I talking to that's named Kev? Kev, my one man, Kevin. Damn, bro. I keep calling you Kev, bro. I'm wise. I'm gonna call him Kel now. I'm like, yo, this is fucked. I never met anyone with the name Kel. That's why it's always been like Kev. Yeah, 5 minutes. It's not looking valid. I need a golfing or something. But right now, it's looking like it's just gonna come for them lows. Could play out if I'm really, really, really lucky, but I don't think I'm gonna be lucky today. And what time is it? 10:30. Let's see. We finna see right now. Price is moving so slow today. Kind of regret today being the only day I traded. I feel like any other day probably would have been better.
Boy, if I would have went all in yesterday on that sale, fuck yeah, I wouldn't even be up right
He said all in. Yeah. Don't do that unless you have like an all in account. Shit.
now. Bro,
I'm all for over
like,
leveraging if it's an over leveraging account. Like,
it would have been like 45 no cat.
yeah, like I'm all for over leveraging as long as it's an account specifically for it. Because then it's not, it's a different style of building. You're like trying to build an account, not really consistently make something.
Yeah, it's like gambling for real. Flip, young nigga, flip. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, nigga. Double up.
It's
2
possible
or
to
3,
keep
9,
going, but
10, no,
US 30's pushing up,
double
so
up.
US30's been kind of in the same spot NAS has been though. Like I've been watching both. They're while this has been like having that retest on US30 on the 15. That's been the whole time we've been at this London low. So it's like it's not trying to push. It's just staying in this area that's 30-100 for US30 and 11-500 to like 525 for NAS. I just need to get once we get past like 600, we good. But until then, shit. It's gonna be a long morning.
This is a whack ass phone. I ain't gonna cap.
Just mad slow.
And this session was way better than this. I ain't even know it's gonna go up that fucking high. I would have just kept my bags.
And we're already back lower. Ain't that some shit? Yeah, this is London low. It looks like it wants to be pushed up from here. Like that's really what it wants to look like. But it's like, bro, the longer we stay in this area, the less likely I'm gonna believe it's gonna have this push before stopping me out.
Consolidation.
Cause this is making all these lows to where it's probably just gonna run my stop loss and go all the way where I wanted to in the first place. Cause it would have pushed by now.
Intuition probably told you. Your intuition probably just told you that. So you try to probably close your trade, wait till it run that low, then get in.
Nah, cause then I'm gonna take 2 losses if I lose that one too.
Oh, you not in profit right now?
Nigga, I'm in drawdown.
Oh shit. Well, I'm not even looking at these. I'm looking at.
You're not in profit right now, bro. I'm trying to buy.
Oh yeah.
I'm not selling right now.
That don't look the best.
That's what I'm saying.
520.
Like if we engulf from there, we would have been fine. But it's not engulfing. We're not holding
Your
500,
entry was 520 gang.
530. It's different on FTMO, but here it's around 520.
Why you ain't wait for the big figure level like 500?
Cause I wasn't gonna wait. I wanted to get in with the London low. For all I know, it wasn't gonna happen.
Okay, got you.
Cause my stop loss was originally below here, but I moved it here because like if it runs these lows, it's probably just gonna go down. That's why I moved it.
That make a lot of sense.
Cause we ran to 500 like 6, 7 times already. If it doesn't hold, this is gonna run them lows at least. So I'm
Which I
just
believe. Damn, I just missed my entry on SPX. Fuck.
ran
So
the
I
previous
believe
candles low. So let's see if this is gonna actually run.
that's so funny, bro. So when I say it about to go up, bro, it go up. Like, can I
Hey,
get another retest?
whatever. No, don't say that, bro. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, bro?
I want to get in the bass too. Like,
Asking for
damn.
another retest. Like we haven't been retesting for the past like 2 hours, bro.
Oh, bro. Hey, look, no cat.
Look at that. Look at it, bro. This is the 5 minute. 5 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5 minute candles touch that 500 level. And I've been in the trade the whole time. That's 30 minutes of me just watching.
They said the ones that can hold strong, they gonna get it, man.
I'm holding this to 630. That's what I want. 630. That's all I want, bro. 630. I'm gonna leave it partial. Shit, bro. Can we just like run a high or like get out of the consolidation or anything? Anything?
Back into some profit now, though. Yeah, if this don't come and give me no retest, I'm not taking a trade for the bass today.
All right, I'm in profit now though, but not. I was in profit earlier before it came back right back all the way to 500 again. So
I lost $12 earlier, so I need to get it back. I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit at all.
so definitely make it back. Just try not to get in just to get in.
It's been easier getting the small losses back rather than the big losses, bro. Cause them
The big
losses
loss are the problem.
$300, them shits be OD whack as a
Because you need
bitch.
full moves to get big losses back. That's the thing. You need like
Yeah.
full moves. And that's why it's hard. That's why it's like when you take more trades, it's like the more loss you take, you're basically betting that you're just going to catch one good trade that could potentially make back for it. And what if you don't? And then now it's just like, damn, it takes way longer to make
And
it
it's
back.
crazy you say that, bro. Cause that's weird as a bitch. I was thinking about this before I fell asleep. I was like, bro, it's good to keep my losses small because if you taking the small losses, right, then you got your account going down smaller. But if you take that one bit jump, your account don't win 50%, and then you trying to make that whole jump with a 50%
Mm-hmm.
account lesser than what you just had. I'm like, bro, you literally destined. If you lose the first big trade, you got to play small ball, and if you don't play small ball, like you said, you're taking a big risk, hoping it'll bounce back.
Yeah, and it
Like
depends on the
no
account
cap,
size too.
I would trade the Nasdaq with like a $60 $70 account, but I would wait. I wouldn't take no trade until it's like one of them things where I know
Damn.
I can get in and be safe, and that would fucking. Bro, I used to take $70 accounts, $1,000.
Yeah, that's
Crazy.
definitely possible. All you need is like one good trade to get you like in the game. Then you got enough to risk on multiple trades.
That's how I did that Bitcoin shit. I turned that shit like 170 to like 30 bands, bro. I
Damn.
was lit out this bitch. Gave half of it back though.
Shit, it'd be like that. Just learning, making the money is easy. Learning when to take it out is the thing. Learning when to call it a day, call it a week, a month.
Facts, bro. Niggas just gotta find other shit to do, bro. It be so much shit to do, but niggas just if niggas in love with the charts, bro.
Yeah, you just gotta stay productive outside of the charts.
I was sitting in this area. That looks so sus.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. This is making me angry. It's just the longer I'm here, the more likely it's gonna be to stop me out.
Somebody said that.
Like it's just waiting to stop me out. I'm just like, bro, I'm just wasting my time at this
Nah,
point.
don't say that, bro. I'm about to buy, bro. They just waiting on me to buy, bro.
Nah, they're waiting for me to get stopped out. That's what they're waiting for. They're
I'm
waiting to
telling
run all these lows right here. And part of me
Watch,
doesn't
bro.
even
I'm
wanna.
about to buy, bro.
He said I'm about to die.
Alright, I'm in the market. Watch this. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how I move the market, nigga.
Hey man, do what you gotta do. Just
Where you want? Hey, where you want to go again, gang?
6:30.
6:30. Alright, hold up.
Yeah, you better call someone.
What time is it? I'm about to call my people, but by the time it's about 10:50, we gonna be at 6:20. Alright.
Six
At that
twenty.
point, they just do it back. You
All
gotta,
right.
you feel me?
All right, we're gonna see. What if I get stopped out by then? Do I like get
If you get
reimbursements?
stopped
If I
out
get,
by
do I
then,
get like
the only thing you can do on
reimbursements?
the Zoom is plotting against them.
I get reimbursements.
Yeah, hell
I need
yeah.
like
You take
25.
tacos.
I need a 25% refund on that trade.
Hell, you take fake money.
Uh, shit, why not?
Alright, I'm with it then. I definitely slide you a demo account with like 50 bands on it.
My hero.
Yeah, loaded up with 500.
You
500K.
feel me? I'm gonna get my nigga $500,000 out this bitch. Fuck it.
You like here, bro. Like I know it ain't real, but you know it's a thought that counts.
Something.
You feel me? Like it's a thought that count. Do something with it.
Versus, like, all right, here you go. Now you can get the back testing. Bro, this is so crazy. The fact that we aren't moving.
I like it because that's means we're about to flip.
Nah, or we're about to make a really sharp run. Stop my ass out.
Don't say that, bro. We are going bullish.
I would want to say
Remember,
that, but
we
you know,
control our reality. If we want this move to happen, we need to play like this move about to happen. real
shit.
quick, so we can get.
I mean,
in.
shit. I tried 3 times, bro.
Yeah,
They
we don't
still
do too
got
much
me, bro.
trying, but we do that shit like Nike, bro. We about to go to
Shit.
7:30.
Shit, I did it, and I don't know. I guess it didn't work. I guess I couldn't just do it. It was like just get out at this point.
I'm looking at the Nasdaq now. I mean, like I see why you because all these wicks and shit, but you
Mhm.
gotta look at it. Yeah, like I'm looking at this 1 minute. Stop losses. Stop losses. Sellers got stop losses above 620 right now. I can see that for sure. We
Bro,
got a
I'm
double
sweating.
bottom. It's choppy as a bitch, but it's a double bottom for sure. And it's after 10:30. So I would wait for the move up to the upside engine because I feel like they holding it here because they want to give an impulsive move anyway. So they need the buyers to load up.
Yeah. Listen,
500.
I wanted to go long just as much as you do, but the reality of it is, the longer it stays in this area, the less likely it's gonna play out, in my opinion.
Nah, the reality of it is, bro.
Cal,
they gon-
Cal
they
over
gonna
here
make it
does.
seem like that,
He's
but
just
the
like
niggas
fuck
ain't
the
got
charts.
patience.
Yeah, fuck them charts right now.
I seen him like switch like 3 different things. He was like Batman at one point. Yeah, once I'm just trying.
I
Once we
think
break,
we straight,
I
man.
just want to break
I
this
think
high.
we just be patient, let that shit go to 620 and take our profit, bro.
Shit, trust me.
Hey, don't watch
All
me.
I'm doing is being patient.
Watch TV.
As they're
Eat
watching
my
you.
meat.
As they're watching you.
Yeah,
Don't watch me. Go watch them.
watch TV.
Black screens.
Beat my meat. What the fuck?
Never mess with these.
Where's the
What
volume?
the fuck? What the fuck?
US 30 looks like it wants to go, but who
Yeah.
knows?
Nigga, I'm in the market now, nigga. I'm moving shit.
I hope, bro. I hope so.
Throw like another little 50 lot in there.
Nah, throw like a
Throw
like a
500.
1,000, bro. Like 1,000.
Yeah.
Like a few of them done. Few of them things. Like,
Oh, you want this bitch to go back up to 15K game?
I mean, yeah. Ideally, I hold
That'd be lovely.
I hold this full position till I hold this
Bro, I'm
full
about to make
position for
call,
months,
bro.
bro.
I'm about
I
to
would
make
hold
call,
this
so
full
when I
position
don't
for
act
months.
spooked out, bro.
All right, I'm gonna
Bro,
hold.
imagine.
13,700 was
I'm
really-
gonna hold
was
a.
really litty. I had
I'm gonna hold a 4 lot. I'm gonna hold a 4 lot as a runner.
I was like, I'm gonna call the play out 2-3. I really was like a whole month before. I said 13,700, sell that shit.
All right,
You
so
look
let me
at
see.
them highs, it's 13,700.
So
So
where's
I-
15,000 from here? So 15,000. Where are we at? 11,530 minus 11,530. So we're about 3,000 points. If I hold this trade until there, I should make roughly about 15,000. So
Nice little swing.
I'm gonna hold that thing. So I'm counting on you. 15,000. I'm counting on you.
You definitely gonna make about 45. 'Cause on the way up, I know you add lots of that.
Matter of fact, it might not even be. It's probably gonna be way more than that. It's gonna be about not 15, 153,000. What am I saying?
Oh, bro. That
I was
sound
like
about
15. I was like, that doesn't sound right.
Right. Well, I like to make 15 on the
I can easily make 150 if I were to hold this full position till that, which is likely not gonna happen. But it's cool to think about, right?
All you gotta do is get you like a $10,000 account, go 0.1, and just forget about it.
Yeah,
Like
we're already back at this low again. Yeah, I'm about. Part of me just wants to break even at this point. Cause this is really just playing bad.
Lag is a bitch on the game.
The 15 minute is.
It's lag is a bitch. How they just bring the jump back to the lows and shit.
I'm just hoping that 10 o'clock low holds. If that doesn't hold, well, I'm done. Like I said. But nah, the fact that we really haven't moved is kind of crazy. Just no volume whatsoever.
Yeah, the fact that it's Thursday and it's moving like this is beyond me.
Yeah,
Because honestly, niggas will not try to be in the mark on a Friday, bro. I expect Thursday to be more, bro.
no shit. Like,
And
part of me, if we don't, if I don't get stopped out within like 10, 20 minutes, I'm probably just gonna leave it and then whatever happens, happens. But I'm tired of just watching this. We're not going nowhere. And then this over here is extremely bearish, so I don't see why I wouldn't keep going. But what do I know? What do I know?
it's looking like, bro, for real, it's looking like it's got to make a move soon. So maybe we about to at least get to at least the 600, right?
Shit, I've been saying that for about an hour and a half at this point, bro. I don't even know anymore. It's this type of thing where, at this point, I'm fine with taking the loss because it's just I'm not gonna have to sit here and waste any more time. Yep, there we go. Slowly but surely. Ooh. Just go somewhere, bro. Anywhere. Up, down. Shit. There we go. Yeah, keep going that way.
Go anywhere.
Like, real
Goes
shit, bro.
left and right.
Doesn't move at all. I would just at that point, bro. I would just have to walk around the office with the phone, just like, hey, I need something new, some new scenery. Cause watching charts move for an hour and a half feels like a cool 2.5, 3 hours. You're just watching time go by.
A Tesla stock
Like I'm
might
like
explode.
like I'm really just looking at seconds go by. I'm just watching the time 9, 8, 7, 6,
You're
Hey,
just
yeah, I
watching
be watching
five.
the clock
time
too,
go
bro.
away.
Be waiting on the next minute.
Mm-hmm.
No chat.
And the way I'm looking at, I've been here for an hour 30, so I've watched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 15-minute candles close. Jesus.
That's how many minutes of your life you have not spent living.
Basically. Stayed here looking at charts and make them deteriorating my eyes. Just for it to end up
In the
coming stop me
metaverse.
out. That's what's crazy. That is probably gonna end up stopping me out after waiting that long. That's what sucks.
I don't
Yeah,
think it's gonna stop.
that's a
you, bro.
brutal beating.
I think you're gonna hit your TP game.
You know, that would be nice, but the probabilities aren't on my side. Ooh. Like, we're not going anywhere. Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. For all I know, we're just gonna run that low before we go higher. That's probably the best case scenario at this point. I wanted to see that 10 o'clock low get held, but it's really not going anywhere. Like, it's actually kind of crazy how we're not moving on a Thursday like this.
Oh, it's 10:45.
Let's see,
This is an
10:45
important
push.
candle. If this candle goes in the break, I will close my trade. If this candle goes to the top side, I will hold my trade.
We did get like that 3 drivers pattern, so it probably is gonna push bearish and then push back up.
I'm just waiting for it to do anything at this
Stop,
point.
stop
I'm just
that
waiting.
Fed talk.
Nah, you just got to keep in mind every situation so that when it does happen, you ain't surprised. Because if you're saying bullish, 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 no chance to sell, and then it ends up selling, like, how? How that happened? How? Right. But if this ends up dropping, it's like, all right, I figured it was probably going to go lower. No disappointment.
Well,
No
you
expectations.
got your
No
wish,
disappointment.
kid.
It wasn't a wish. It was just, I figured it was going to happen.
I figure it's gonna go back to the top after this shit.
It could. I don't see why it wouldn't, but
That's what I was like.
who
Why
knows?
wouldn't you? Like, just go the fuck back up.
Because why wouldn't it hold 500 either? There's a lot of questions I have, but None of them get
My
answered.
my thing about this 3760 on the S&P is that impulsive moves going to happen from this area because it's a big level support. So the choppiness makes a lot of sense.
We cleared some lows. So see if we hold that 10 o'clock low though, because my stop is right there.
If I was a bearish player, I would be going bearish right after around 10:30. Right, they did give out an entry. They made it back to this low, but if these lows was to hold, I would be taking it back from these lows back to the highs and want to fucking dump it back later on. Like the only thing that makes sense to me is the buy. I would have woke up if I went on this chart. I would have been buying. So I figured this shit is right. Damn, shy, you gotta do something better than that.
This should not go. I cleared multiple candles lows, but I don't know how likely this is going to be to push from here. It could. I like the reaction we got after clearing them, but only time will tell.
Thank the Most High for waking me up today. I'm thankful for what I done seen, and I'm thankful for how I reacted. So I think
Facts. At least we were able to be here long enough to watch these charts and watch time
type
go by.
shit.
I seen this meme, but you can really turn this into a trading meme. It says, "Yeah, sex is cool, but have you ever spent an hour looking at the charts
Oh yeah,
just to get stopped out?"
Just
that's
to get
pain.
stopped out.
That's pain.
Have you ever looked at a chart a whole day just to get stopped out, nigga?
No, all day is crazy.
Oh
I
my
can't say I have.
god,
Yeah,
a
I
whole day is
periodically check it. I be trying not to look at the charts all day.
bro. It be hard, bro. Cause especially if I enter a trade, bro. Cause I know anything can happen in the forex markets. I'm like, yo, bro, I can't just allow myself to know, and then if it happen, I'm gonna be a hoe because I'm gonna be mad. You feel me? Like, cause I know it don't happen,
Yep.
or it could have happened, and I could have avoided it. Just like these sales that Andre mentioned, I know it could happen, but I could avoid it by closing the trade right now. But
Shit, just
I'm
stick
trying
to
to bet
the
on
stick
the
to the
buys,
analysis.
bro.
Yeah, just
What's that sentiment number at, bro? What's the percentage? How many buyers in the market right
For what?
for the retail?
Nas?
Yeah, Nas
It's at 60 long.
60 60 long.
Yup.
Uh-huh. Yeah, let's go long and then let's dump it back to the lows at least. I want to go back. You know, this reminds me of last week when I entered them buys, but it was going down lower. See, it was trending lower, but then originally at the end of the day, it started making its up move. I don't want a day like that though. I don't want these lows to be clear. I feel like we can just hold these lows
US
for as
30 is
long as
trying
we
to
need to.
push, but Nas is just being
It's
a little
trying, bro. It's trying.
struggling so bad.
I needed to try harder though.
So S&P's at 53% long, and then US 30's at 67% long.
So we have everything over 50% that is bullish. People is buying this market because they see lows at this market, right? Which is understandable. It's very understandable.
Bro, I just need a push. Like
S&P's not super strong
this
bullish
is
though,
actually
but
wild.
Yeah, because right now, bro, we at a very, very key level. Like, bro, we break these shits, we're going to be going stupid low. If we hold, we're just going to spike back up to the highs maybe yesterday. But it's all about fucking our timing,
Mm.
bro. It's like
Nah, it
we
wasn't
don't know.
us.
It's
It was
just be
just the
like
setup
days
was
where we
there.
just timing, bro.
It's just
Some
not
days it's just
playing
like
out. That's all it
going
is.
through a
The setup was there. The trades I took were valid. They looked valid at the time. They played out slightly, but just wasn't a long
yeah
term
type
move.
shit, bro. Like, just be feeling like they just be playing with niggas. They know the moves they need to be make. They just be playing with
Yep,
niggas.
there it is, and I'm done. Yep, just like that, I'm done.
It go back. It touched 500 again.
And
Look at
watch,
the reaction, bro.
it's probably gonna have that reaction I was saying after it stopped me up. But at this point, I don't even care. It's just wasting my time. So with that being said, I'm gonna talk to y'all boys.
IG, y'all enjoy y'all's day.
So you too.
All
Have fun
right,
in
y'all.
Costa
Y'all
Rica.